Voyage to Brighton. 7th April. Surprisingly, Lucian woke up early in the morning before dawn broke out and started to pack his bag for a week long trip. He packed his clothes and a lot of mystery genre books to keep him entertained during his trip. Claire dropped him at the old rustic London Victoria railway station to board the train to Brighton. When Claire left, Lucian felt like stepping into an unknown world as he navigated through the bustling crowds on the platform. His mind raced through thoughts of every sound and sight, whether it is a clattering of the train or chattering of the passengers. All these matched his vivid imagination. This feeling of new experience and the anxiety of his first solo train journey becomes more than just a trip from London to Brighton. It was a voyage through his own thoughts, fears, and is what he wished for. Lucien, clutching his ticket and feeling the weight of his first solo journey, watches the train arrive at the platform as he boards the train carefully and settles down in his seat. The train seemed less crowded than usual. At 3 p.m., the train departed from the station. After a while, the ticket collector, a middle aged man who contrasted sharply with the station's atmosphere, had a gentle smile, which relaxed anxious passengers. The ticket collector checked Lucian's ticket and punched it with a vintage ticket puncher.